My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Dogecoin. Very urgent videos and warning for all Dogecoin holders. Please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you are a holder of Dogecoin, this video is very important for all of you. Keep watch, and if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of latest update and videos. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Dogecoin. So current price is 0.481164 USD dollar. But on the other side, if we look at the prices occur in the Dogecoin, so absolutely the prices occur in the Dogecoin as going positive. The last 1 hour pricing as positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week prices occur in the Dogecoin as going negative, friends. As you can see here now, the last 1 day and last 1 week pricing is negative, only the last 1 hour pricing as positive, friends. So please, my suggestion for all of my viewers is that please don't decide to sell Dogecoin at this time, friends. It's time to only hold Dogecoin, friends. Don't decide to sell. My personal suggestion, my personal recommendation for all of my viewers is that don't decide to sell. As you can see here, the previous time change occur in the Dogecoin as negative, friends. In my personal suggestion for all of you, I know this time the price is okay in the Dogecoin as positive. So that is why I suggest for all of you to hold Dogecoin for a long time. If you hold Dogecoin for a long time, so you will get a good amount of profit from the Dogecoin. And if you decide to sell Dogecoin in the short time, so absolutely you get a low amount of profit, or maybe you get a loss from the Dogecoin. That is why at this time the Dogecoin start jump. So I suggest for all of you that please hold it and be safe from loss. That's a warning for all of you. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit. Now, if you decide to sell Dogecoin at this time, so absolutely, as you know, the previous time change occur in the Dogecoin as in negative. So don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. That's my suggestion for all of my viewers. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching this video.